here it is.
What is up, folks? What day is it? It's Friday today. I'm actually recording this. This is gonna go in the beginning of my vlog instead of the rest of my vlog because I recorded the rest of my vlog like 2 or 3 days ago. But yeah, I think I already explained this a bit before, but I'm not gonna be posting really daily stuff anymore. I know I kind of spoil you guys every now and then with like 3 days in a row I'll upload and stuff like that. But it's just that right now I'm not really doing anything. I'm basically just working a ton and getting ready to go to New York. And so yeah, like I said though, I'm putting this in the beginning. Today's vlog is gonna be sick. I got a lot of good footage that I get to use. And so yeah, hope you guys enjoy it, and thanks for watching. Okay, and yeah, I've been listening to classical music a lot when I wake up. Voice crack. This is what I listen to a lot, been listening to all the time actually, is this YouTube creator named Mei Lee. Go check her out. She's this French girl who plays the piano and just sings songs, and it's absolutely magical to wake up to, or just like put on in the morning. And so yeah, it's been sunny for like a week straight, and this is the first like cloudy day. So I got zero sleep last night, absolutely zero. But got my ice thing here for my face, debloat it, get inflammation down, helps with acne, all that stuff. If you're not doing this, trust me, you feel so good after you do it. Like it's 100% worth it, 1,000% worth it. But yeah, I'm just gonna be trying to make it through today because I am so tired. Yeah, I hit the gym already too, so I'm not gonna do that tonight. Yeah, I couldn't sleep last night, and so I just got up at like 4 and just went to the gym. And I've just been cleaning my kitchen ever since. But yeah. See, I got like crazy brain freeze right now. Oh my gosh. A little headache right there. Okay, that's better. But yeah, I feel great now. I'm awake. I think it boosts your mood, I'm pretty sure, too. And so, if you're feeling depressed, put your face in some ice water. But yeah, I'm gonna go get ready for work now. But yeah, enjoy the rest of the vlog. I think the main highlight is just that we went hiking. I had like 4 ticks on me when we went. I got eaten alive by mosquitoes. I'm still trying to recover from that. And yeah, it was a total blast though. Don't let me in the video tell you different. It was a ton of fun. Hope you enjoy the rest of it. Bye.
Been going stupid with the recording stuff.
What? Oh, you think you like the vlogs? What is bro saying? Oh,
My mother.
oh. Connor just ate an absolutely diabolical looking meal. He likes it, which is a compliment. You know, I made bread today, and then
I might just be so hungry that
what the f? The mic just falls off. Okay. Anyways,
poor Moob is stuck outside.
I don't give a
Connor's put me on flame out here. So, I have a bit of old sushi in here, okay? So what?
Look at it! Look at it!
Okay, it's pretty old. Okay. We got Mothra in this. Oh my gosh!
Let me see this shit. Let me see it. Let me see it.
Gosh. We're getting in close.
Dude, I'm scared of that.
Look at this thing, dude.
Grab it.
Oh my god. I'm not grabbing that.
That literally could bite you, bro.
Dude, that thing is mad.
Oh!
The camera does not do this thing any justice. Like, it is so much bigger than it looks on camera.
It's probably like the size, like here.
Dude, it's like the size of my palm.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say. It's like palm size. Okay. Holy shit.
Oh, got it.
Okay.
Alright. Just escapes.
Okay.
Bro.
Diabolically big.
Oh my god.
Here, let me get the flash.
This is like the size of my finger.
Dude. Oh my gosh. It's crazy.
Huge.
We're releasing it, don't worry. These things are good for the environment. I don't know if they're good, actually.
Put a mosquito in there.
Mosquito
Put a mosquito in there.
eaters harmful. Are good for the environment. Oh, frick. I can't type. Mosquito hawks good to have around. Beneficial insects. Despite their common misconception, they're not mosquitoes, they don't eat them, and they don't bite humans. Food source for other animals. They don't really do anything, I guess.
They just be chilling.
They're just food. Okay, I'll let them out. You get to live, buddy. You're just gonna go
Dude,
get
he
eaten.
is gigantic.
You're gonna go get
wings.
eaten by something else.
Oh my god.
Dude, he's got like a stinger.
Does he?
Look at his tail.
I need a gym, buddy. Okay.
Be free.
Oh, there's.
Oh shit!
Oh my god! Oh, yeah, that didn't work. That didn't
For
work.
a solid 2 seconds.
Oh. Oh.
Okay.
Oh!
Oh!
Go outside!
I
Go
got
out! Go outside!
Oh my gosh! I'm gonna hit him in the book. I'm sorry, bro. I gave you a chance.
No.
It's unlocked.
It's not opening.
You don't have to just slam it. You just push.
I am, bro. It's not opening. It won't open, bro. Going light?
Going white.
Going white?
I'm already white. I can't go white.
It's kind of problematic thing to say, Connor.
What, that I'm white?
Yeah.
It's not problematic, it's the truth.
I'm actually devastated. That was my favorite water bottle. It was a gift from Kobe. Yeah, Christmas gift. So, guess I'm gonna have to clean this up. What did you do? I dropped it.
Baby, go and leave me all
Hey,
the way.
if it's over, so fuck it. Just don't act like my love wasn't nothing. Like I wasn't the one you was holding that night, telling all of your secrets and hugging. Guess you right, it's too good to be true. Was the point, all I needed was you. But shit, time after time, I just fussing and fighting. It's time that you do what you do. And it's cool. Mama said it was fish in the sea, I got lost in the pool. Knew it was coming.
Just go for a walk.
Okay, Jordan.
For the walk.
No, get away from my camera,
No, it's
bro.
not gonna go that far.
Oh my gosh.
Wait, what's
I felt that, dude.
It's literally ingredients, pure eucalyptus oil.
what's
The oil.
So yeah, it's for the vlog. So if you guys are looking for a flamethrower,
Just get a little spray bottle, put some eucalyptus oil in there.
My mom.
baby? Come on. Oh my.
No, he's shaking, dude.
Bro,
Testing,
it's so
testing.
loud.
You can cut out that other shit.
Yeah. Run it up, Blondo.
Aim lower. Aim lower.
Hey, bitch, I'm from Texas, where we still riding swangers and put diamonds in our necklace. Pour drink inside my lemonade till it look like a bitch. See, I come from the D where we got checks and we be flexing. If you ain't from my state, then you should know don't fuck with Texas. Hey, we always strap, we keep our weapons. My mama from the A, she slowed it down for me at 7. Used to think Pimp C was a god before he went to heaven. I knew what pushing P was before Gunna even said it. Hey, she zero taught me keep my weapon and never trust a nigga or a bitch cause it's expected. No killers.
Was it coming out of it?
Oh yeah, it was.
Oh yeah, it did.
Right there, right there. Dang.
One right there too.
You wanna split a piece of wood with a 12-gauge slug?
I don't know how that would
Big
work.
hurts.
Yeah.
What do you mean go?
Noah, go. No. There you go. You're good. You're good. You're good.
Right in the eye.
I don't even know what Noah made this fish for, I guess.
Isn't it heat?
It's spicy and tastes like ass because of that Dijon, bro. Dijon is the worst type of mustard.
Get it away from the bug. Oh my gosh.
I don't want you to get bit because you're like literally like.
Noah, you might honestly get bit and get malaria.
Dude, I got on my lips.
I'm just trying to make sure you don't have an allergic reaction. Old Faithful has had an oil change in like 8 years.
Oh my gosh. The tire. Oh my gosh.
Why buy the tires?
Bro, this kid sucks at driving a stick. Listen to these shifts.
I'm not gonna shift.
He's not
I don't need to
shifting.
be a speed demon.
Exactly, Gabe.
Let's go airborne off that pile of dirt right there. Carry this up there.
I won't carry it up there.
Fine. Jerk.
Where's the essentials?
In the bag.
Oh, we got. Right.
What?
Show the camera. Show the camera.
Show camera what?
The essentials. Essentials
This
only.
is very essential. A whole ass bottle of champagne.
Of Martinelli.
You're gonna need a debarred. It is not debarred.
Dude, there's so many mosquitoes. They're just a cloud around us.
I got a bit right here. I'm not sure.
Oh gosh. Okay. It's been 3 days since I've eaten. 2 since I've had water. I've had 3 ticks on me. And I've been bitten twice by mosquitoes. Jorgen, he doesn't even care. We out here doing this. You ask me, I'd rather be playing Fortnite right now.
Oh, dirt bike in here, dog. No, look, the plane goes right up there.
There's a dirt bike?
You're stepping on it.
Wow.
Hold this. Hold this, no.
Oh, we gotta go. It's actually.
Having fun?
I'm having a blast, dude.
Yeah, I'm glad one of us is. Gosh. Oh.
No, I don't care if you go back, but we're literally right
Frick. Ow. Dude. This is crazy.
Google Maps, this one looks massive.
There's one bigger than this? Are there houses?
No. There's nothing out here, I'm telling you.
Bro, this is like treacherous.
What?
Bro, there's steep and strip.
Oh yeah, up there we tried to go down, it's like that. And it just goes straight into rock. So like you gotta go this way, I think.
It's cool. Oh. Oh my gosh.
Huh?
Yeah.
It's like album cover. Let's see, front shot in that lower one. The first one that we walked up. I want to go this way. No, go up this way. Actually.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Bro,
Bro. Okay.
Now look, right off the edge.
Look, I'm not touching the bottom, Noah. Look.
Bro, this is crazy.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh, wow. We're going up. I'm gonna leave the camera down here just because it's really not safe climbing with it. So yeah, I'll update you guys as soon as I'm back. How you feeling, Gabe?
Pretty good.
Pretty good? It's absolutely spectacular view up here. Oh my god.
No, I know, but I have to eat at 6.
What time is it?
5:40.
Oh, it's almost 6. Wow.
Hey Siri, start a FaceTime call to Emmett Fanning.
Or you're gonna piss him off.
Oh, it's magical. Oh my gosh.
Dude.
Top 10 experiences of my life right here.
Ew.
You gotta try this, bro. Here. Oh yeah. Woo! I'm so riddled with mosquito bites right now. This is lethal. Even look at my hand, dude. Oh my gosh, look at that. We're alive. Oh my god. Start the car. Oh. I'm still getting eaten alive. Oh, my finger too. Dude, my finger's all swollen. Look at that. Wow. Okay, just finished watching the Minecraft movie with Connor. Obviously, I did not take my camera in the movie theater because that would be very illegal. But can confirm it was peak. Definitely recommend watching it. Absolute blast of a movie. Was it good in any sense of the word? No. But man, was it so fun. And yeah, that's it.